What them a go do ya now? No link on the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. No link.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers, man. Big up on yourself. I don't know the thing going here. I don't know what's a New Link there, and from New Link production, and we say attack. Yeah, people. So when me really want to know now, viewers and subscribers, right? Cause I have a matter right now dealing with in this vlog, and it's where two police, are waiting to be sentenced after receiving bribe, after letting go a man who was wanted for murder for 150,000 Jamaican dollar. You get me, I say? And them catch the man, who wanted for murder and let go the man a road. So when me want really to know people is, why, right? How much money do police been getting for their paid in Jamaica? Why they so desperate for a local $150,000 and for a $2,000 US? Because remember, just the other day, with the other police who they nab in the States with the drugs that was carrying, and one of the lady confessed and she said that she received the sum of $2,000 US for do the move. You know what I mean? And I'm checking the ratio and the amount, the value in Jamaica currency. And them, they're another big money people. So I want to know if I saw police at Jamaica broke, hungry, desperate, and that's why they would have sell out the country for these small sums of money, because 150,000 people are look a bit of money that, not because man overseas and thing, and even when me a yard, that enough money, because you come so boom, that can't really do nothing. You get me? I say, yes, it's good for you know, so you can give a man a 150, yeah, and whatever, you can do a thing, but it's not bag of money for you know, say, you gotta do certain things so we can risk a life and send a guy to prison for. Oh my world, oh my precious New Link. Attack them, man. So now people, I have this article about these police, who are waiting to be sentenced. So I'm just going to read it through and let us get a brief understanding of what them say go on with these police, right? Listen. 2 of 3 policemen who were accused of soliciting and accepting 150,000 Jamaican dollar for not arresting a man who was wanted for murder were found guilty of breaches of the Corruption Prevention Act when they appeared in the Hanover Parish Court on Friday. The two are Constable Andre Drummond and Shemroy Hewitt, both from Hanover Police Division. Conrad Clark, a third constable from the division who was charged with aiding and abetting the soliciting acceptance of the money, was however found not guilty. Constables Drummond and Hewitt are to be sentenced on August the 31st. They were both remanded in custody pending social inquiry reports. The court was told that during vehicular checkpoint duties in January 2017, a car was stopped from which Hewitt and Drummond took a wanted man and the driver of the car into custody in a police vehicle. On their way to the Lucy police station, they reportedly bargained with the men for a sum to be paid for their release. Based on evidence that was presented in court, the driver was subsequently taken to a bank and directed to make a withdrawal. He withdrew 150,000 Jamaican dollar, which he gave to Hewitt, who left in the police vehicle with Drummond. So, you see what I go on now, people? You get me? $150,000. Even though this happened back in 2017, people. We are now in 2020, right? But in the end, no matter what, I saw them a police are hungry and broke and desperate. See? That then would have catch a man who was wanted for murder. At the time, they say it was 3 of them, but they managed to, one of them found not guilty. But still yet, if it was so the 3 of them, how would they split this $150,000 between 3 of them? Zine, 50-50. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, I'm get a 50 grand man, he can go floss, he can go this, he can go a club and bust a local thing and get a tip. You know what I mean? Just what if you catch a man who was wanted for murder, who is a risk in Jamaica, let him go back on the street because he's wanted for murder. He can go out there when I let him go and go commit 10 more murder. Zine, people life that. You know what I mean? So I'm telling the people, how these police sometimes are stupid, and we know this thing go on a daily basis. You get me? Big up to the police them and the security personnel them in the forces who are doing the natural work of providing safety for Jamaican citizens. But when it come on to some police people, they don't check about people's life. All they check about is money and corruption, and it's the truth. Zine, me respect police, because I know a lot of police who do the right and I do the murder people. But there's no way you should be an officer. You get a man who was wanted for murder and he can solicit and come, so boom, hey, 150,000, boom, boom, draw, get it, and that's it. It's totally wrong and it's totally corruption. You get me? It's totally corruption. And me know personally, yeah, them that's the police not get good pay, but police I get a little thing. You know what I mean? It's not necessarily a big sum of money, but still yet, man. If you know that, you know, the money that they're paying you, you're not satisfied, then find another job. Then the police force is not for you, or do something else. Because in the end, people, if I'm doing a work, right, and I found out that this job that I'm doing is not suitable to manage my, you know what I mean, type of living, you get me, I say, my bills and everything, then me I go try my best to find another one. And you can't tell me that they don't have no choices. Then I would rather go into the hotel and leave the police force then, instead of knowing. But some people, they know how much things they can get in the force now, meaning with corruption, meaning not the right way, meaning not wait for the monthly pay if you get, meaning do other things and get their money. Some people do it for that reasons. See, just like sometimes when they kill someone, people and find much money and they say, you know, we find 5 or we find $10 million. You feeling yourself say 10 or 5 them fine. Them don't stash maybe 5 or 10 of that already and just say that them fine. You know what I mean? It happened. You know what I mean? We know there are good officers out there, but there are several, even, you know, police who have vlogging channel there that tell you about the corruption in the force. A lot of police who you see have them channel and a vlog and a talk, they can tell you, explain to you the route and how these things set. You get me, I said? So I hope, you know, when court time come, they give these men the penalty that any normal citizen would have get. You get me? Because in the end, people, all the murder charge were upon them, and if they can't catch that man who was wanted for murder and they let him go, they should put the charges on these 2 officers. You get me? Because just the way how they accept $150,000 to let out a man who is wanted for murder, that means they would have take the money and go murder an innocent man out there and go murder somebody same way. You know what I mean? That to show you how the things set a yard right now. And we have a lot of them there, people. As I say, respect to the law abiding officers, them who do the right thing and ensure so Jamaica be in a better place. You know what I mean? Get rid of the one them who are damaging the country. Because you have several people out there, people they are only being a burden to Jamaica, meaning damage it and making it worse for people. You get me? Look at it, people, when they see man even go up on big old hotel with tourists to go commit robbery and them thing there. Them thing they're not real. Them thing they're not right. You get me? I say, imagine now that the hotel in a big problem because when guests even go online and they read and see all of these comments about these robbery that took place at Rio Hotel and them something there. You feel so them are go and come book them hotel there. No, that's damaging the thing. It's damaging job for people too. You get me? Because when no guests now coming at the hotel, them, you know, people don't have no work, people don't have no job. So in the end, people, everybody are going to feel the hands. You know what I mean? So these man, you know, man, they need to do better. No joke thing. You need to do better. Do the right thing and stop do the wrong thing. Zine? Yeah, looking on yourself and make a change, man. Come on. Enough is enough now. Oh my world, oh my precious new link. So you don't know the thing of yours and subscribers, man. We're there giving thanks to life as usual on a daily basis, you know, people. And with us, thanks for the love and for the support and for everyone who has subscribed, everyone who has like, everyone who has share, everyone who has comment. You know what I mean? It's really great, people, and I appreciate everyone who has a new link and I say attack. It's just a good feeling, people, and you know what I mean? Every day the thing keep on getting huge and bigger. So I just want to tell anybody, you want to make a contribution, you know, to the channel, please don't do it on PayPal right now, people, because I have some issue with my PayPal account which after they're going to delete it, but we still have some pending thing deal with it on it, so we can't delete as yet. So you know what I mean, anyone who see that refund has been coming back into their account, yeah man, it's just because we have the problem and I just have to refund back the money instead of make the money go away like that, you know what I mean? So anybody want to reach out back to us and want to send back the refund that we send, yeah, you can do it through MoneyGram or Western Union for now. And I appreciate everyone who is doing that right now, because a lot of people who have refunded today already, you know what I mean, send back the money to me through MoneyGram and Western Union, and I really appreciate it. So I just enough love people and enough respect, and stay blessed, man, and keep on attacking. Peace out and respect, and don't forget to please do subscribe, like, share, again, comment. Follow me on Instagram, NewLink_production official, on Facebook, New Link Production, and Twitter, New Link Production. Peace out. Attack. Big up.